Hyperlinks in PowerPoint act just like the links you find online. They have their own display text, for example, USA.gov retirement resources, and also an email address, web page, or some other location that they're linked to. I'd like to show you how to turn text into a link starting here. All you have to do is go to the Insert tab, then Hyperlink. In this dialog box, you can see the text the link is going to display and edit it if you need to. You can also enter a web address here. When you're done, click OK, and the text turns into a hyperlink. Why don't we try linking to something else, maybe an email address? I think it would be nice if new employees could click this person's name to contact Human Resources. This time, I'm going to right-click the text and choose Hyperlink here instead of going to the Insert tab. Now click Email Address and type. Other options include linking to a file on your computer. For example, I'd like to be able to pull up the Employee Benefits Guide, which happens to be a Word document. Again, just right-click, go to Hyperlink, and choose Existing File or Web Page. Here you can navigate to any file on your computer and double-click the one you want to create a link. Keep in mind, your link to another file may not work if you plan to send your PowerPoint out or present it on a different computer. Make sure you have a copy of the linked file on the computer you're using to present, and always test your hyperlinks before giving a presentation. To test, just right-click and go to Open Hyperlink. This one's working just fine. Other things you can access by right-clicking any of your links: the ability to edit the hyperlink or remove it. There's one more type of link I'd like to try at the beginning of my presentation, where I have a sort of table of contents. We can make this presentation navigable by turning these into links, links that connect to other slides. Let's start with About AdWorks. Go to Place in this document, and you can choose from a list of slides with a little preview to the right. Here's the one we want to link to. Keep going until your table of contents is complete. And don't be afraid to get creative. There are lots of things you can do with the ability to link to other slides. Let's try out one of these links in Slideshow view. See that? I was just on slide 2, now I'm on slide 13. These hyperlinks are going to be a big help to me, and also to anyone who views the presentation on their own.